I love what I do. I get to help people and I get to be creative. And I never take that for granted, nor do I ever get tired of it. I'm a hearing instrument specialist. I improve the quality of life for people by helping them regain their hearing through some of the best technology available today. I kind of stumbled on what I do. Somebody asked me if I spoke Spanish, and I said, yeah. Well, I need you to translate something into Spanish. I've got to deliver a hearing aid to this gentleman. I said, sure, I'll help you. I was captivated. Lucky happenstances in life, I guess. I fell into it, never looked back. To me, family is everything. It really and truly is. As long as my family is healthy and happy, that to me is everything. And that's what I want for my patients. I want them to be fully engaged with their family. They need to be able to hear clearly and understand so that they can be part of that conversation and just enjoy family. Hearing is so important because it's more than just hearing. It's tuning into life. It's being a part of. When you hear certain sounds, they'll bring back memories. And if that sound disappears because you can't hear it, a lot of times that memory will disappear too. I like to get to know you. I want to know what's going on in your world. I want to know what's changed, what brought you in. From there, we'll take a look in your ears. I've got a big TV screen and you can look down the canal if you've never seen your eardrum. Bring in the next room. I'll have you sit in a little box, push a button when you hear the beep, and what that does is that lets me know how loud do you need it. You may not need it loud at all, but then again, you may, and that's what that test will reveal. I will have you repeat a list of words back to me. That really is the critical point because it's one thing to hear something, it's another thing to clearly understand what you just heard. Most people don't need it louder, they need it clearer. That's the issue right there. Once we do the assessment, we sit back down and I'll tell you what the results are. If you have a hearing loss, I'll tell you. If you do have hearing loss, if you address it and you do something about it, it can be one of the most powerful things that you can do to set yourself up for successful aging. Early treatment makes all the difference in the world long term. The impact that I have on a person's life is absolutely incredible.